Right then, so today I'm going to be changing the blades on our hammer planer thicknesser. It's got a lovely spiral flip-flop. These blades have been turned 4 times now, so it's time for a whole fresh new set. So what we've got is all of our new cutters from Felder. We've got some new grub screws, occasionally they round off, and we've got a torque screwdriver. Felder give you a terrible T20 screwdriver, and this is an extra cost, but in putting them in, this has got the torque set of what you need to twist the grub screws into, and that's a really handy bit of kit. Also, we've found just a little spanner with a T20 head in as well, is great. First of all, I just loosen each one. We've found this little backhoe spanner, ratchet spanner, perfect for the job. So now all the blades are out, all the cutters are out. I'm just gonna, I don't know if it picks it up there, but there's lots of residue or bits of residue in where the cutters were sat and on the block itself. So just using some of Felder's cleaner, gonna clean it up. So that's all nicely cleaned up and residues taken off. So now I'm just putting all the new blades back in, using the driver with the torque set at 1, just so everything's gonna go in loose, and then I'll by hand check everything for tightness afterwards. Clean and a whole new set of fresh blades.